I'm Thomas Schermerhorn. In this video, I'm going to talk about what I want to do for the new year and what are my plans. But first things first. This drawing you see me working on is a part of a project called Man vs. Giant. This is how far I've gotten in this piece and whatnot. This piece is a thumbnail drawing for a much bigger piece. I know I should have started or done much smaller pieces and whatnot. Now let's talk about what I want to do for the new year. There's going to be changes to the drawing challenge. The 10,000 drawing challenge will be changed to the drawing session, and I'm going to keep the drawing challenge. There's going to be actual challenges and so forth, right, where I am uploading images and different types of things and lightings and stuff like that and so forth. The images will be available. I might make them free. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet and so forth. Plein air. I'm working on a plein air setup. Plein air is where you're going outside in the world and you are drawing things you see and so forth, and an easel setup. I have a really big easel that I can't record on, and I want to record my plein air stuff and I want to record my easel stuff and so forth, where sometimes I don't work on because I don't have a way to record it and so forth. Patreon. I don't have a big following, I know that, but I've been thinking about different types of merch and product I could use and so forth. I've been talking a lot more in my videos and so forth while I draw, and that's stuff you don't see because that's a much longer video. What you see me do is stuff that is a lot shorter than what I upload and whatnot, and so I've been thinking maybe using that for a Patreon, but nothing's set in stone yet. I have other ideas for Patreon, and I want to figure those things out. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you want more. Don't forget, you can go check out my website if you want to check out any stories I'm working on. I have a few stories that I'm working on right now, which is the Tree Dragon series, which is the creatures that you see me working on in the figure drawing sessions and whatnot. And then I've also been working on a world where I could tell all these different types of stories that I have and whatnot. It's basically a world that is it's a realistic world that is set in a type of fantasy type setting. And what I mean by realistic is the stories that I'm coming up with are like really connected to real life in some way, shape, or form. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.